Hello and welcome back to the Why Not Money channel. My name is Sanyana-san and I help people to make more money, to travel more, and to make money while they travel. And in today's video, I wanted to encourage you, if you ever felt like you wanted to make a social media, a YouTube, a TikTok, an Instagram, a Facebook, and you wanted to grow your business with that, here's a video for you. Stay into the end of the video so we can internalize all this information. And so I'm gonna go ahead and start making videos and making content is one of the best ways to make money in the 21st century. Nowadays, there's so many opportunities, there's so many ways, and we have AI to help us to make the content, edit the videos, post the content, and do all the back end stuff as far as SEO, search engine optimization, being able to find your content online. So I want to share my experience on making content online, and I want to share this, encourage you to do the same. So I started on YouTube in 2012. My first video was how to get waves, how to get 720 waves, because waves is a hairstyle and I was always interested in the hairstyle. I liked the way it looked. And they always had tutorials on 360 waves. 720 waves is just another style of that hairstyle. And so I would always see many videos on 360 waves. I didn't see too many videos on 720 waves. And me, my little 18-year-old self, just graduated high school. I got a camera. I got an iPhone Touch. I duct taped it to a lamp and I sat in front of a chair and I gave a tutorial on how to get 720 waves. And that led to me getting 20,000 views on that video, 1,000 subscribers, and I kept on posting. And so I want to share with you the mindset and the reality of how content creation goes. Now, content creation is a way to make money and it is very lucrative when you are successful. But the thing is, a lot of people just don't start. A lot of people are not confident in themselves on camera, or they don't follow through and be consistent. And honestly, being consistent is one of the most important things, but starting is more important because if you don't start, then you don't have an opportunity to be consistent. I have a friend who has been talking about wanting to make YouTube videos for a while now. And I'm like one of the only people in my friend groups or really in my social circle in my life that makes content online. And a lot of people who don't make content, they have one of these fears. They are afraid to be on camera. They're afraid to show up, things like that. And I just want to share my story. I started off with the iPod Touch. I didn't have this camera. I didn't have a microphone. I didn't have all these different things to start. I only had an iPod Touch and I didn't have good editing software. I only had iMovie. iMovie is great, but everybody thinks you need Final Cut Pro or Premiere Pro, all these different fancy technology services or whatever it is. But all you really need to do is start. Cell phones are so great nowadays that all you need is an iPhone or an Android, whatever type of phone you prefer. Your camera is good enough. And whatever skill that you have, you need to share it. Whether that's beauty, whether that's cooking, mechanical, anything that you want to do, you can make content on it and you can make money from it. And so I just really want to encourage you. So it just takes consistency. Make a game plan, write it down, visualize who you want to be and how you want to show up. If you want 100,000 subscribers, okay, how am I going to get that? Instead of focusing on the outcome of what you want, focus on the outcome of what you can do. Focus on your ability to produce. How much videos can you make in a week, in a month, in a year? Now, this can give you an idea of how much subscribers or success that you will get. But really, it's unpredictable. Really, there's a certain amount of luck, but a lot of it has to do with you showing up. It's almost like if you don't play the lottery, you're never going to win the lottery, right? Now, I'm not saying that YouTube and content creation is exactly the same odds as the lottery, but it's the same concept. You put in a ticket and you get views. You put in the video, you get views in this scenario. Just start posting, just hit record. There will be times when you'll make a video, you think it's a good video, and it won't get no views. And then there'll be times when you'll make a mediocre video or a video you're like, man, this ain't gonna get that many views. That's the one that gets 2,000 likes, 2,000 views, 200,000 views, and you didn't even intend for it to be a popular video. So the luck side, don't worry about it. That's out of your hands. That's in God's hands. But the showing up part, you have all the control with that. You have the control to press record, and make your content, make your video, whatever it is. So be consistent. Make at least one video a week. Learn how to make better titles, learn how to make better thumbnails, learn how to talk better. I'm not doing a very well job on it right now, but pretty much get your point across and do that consistently over time, and you'll get better. Your brain is a problem-solving machine. No matter what it is you want to do, if you put a task in front of your brain, you'll figure it out eventually. It may take 10 days, it may take 10 years, but you'll figure it out eventually. But if you don't even start, you don't give yourself the opportunity to fail, and you need to fail faster. It's interesting because it's always the videos that I was scared to make, the ones that I thought that would be the most controversial or challenging to talk about, that ended up getting many views, and it gave me followers. And really all you need is that one person. You need that one person that you can touch virtually, physically, spiritually with your message that will follow you. You'll have somebody that loves you from afar, and they'll like every single video, they'll share every single video, they'll tune in, and they'll pay attention to what you have to say. And that's all that matters. You have to visualize and think that whenever you're making content, you're just trying to catch that one person. Let's say it again, one person. You're trying to just help that one person. So with my videos, I'm just trying to help one person to start making content today, to start traveling for less, to start making money with traveling. So what I do is I make content about helping people make more money and showing my journey. And this builds trust. This shows people that I'm out here doing exactly what I'm saying I'm doing. It builds confidence, and it shows certainty that they can know that I'm going to make a video next week. I'm coming back because I know Jonathan Sanyana-san is making another video for me to help me with my issue. And so that's what you have to do, is you have to make content that are helping people with their problems, with their issue, or you have to be entertaining or whatever it may be. Entertainment is still solving a problem. Some people are bored. Some people don't have friends outside of work, and all they do is focus on somebody online that has a good vibe, that is helping them along their journey. So for instance, I make content on how to make money with travel. And so I show myself in different places traveling, and I give people the opportunity to make more money and save money with travel. If they want to do it, they do it. But the point is, I have to show up. I can't think of, oh no, I'm doubting myself. I can't think of, what if I can't do it? It doesn't matter. You still show up for yourself. When you show up for yourself, it creates such an amazing amount of confidence and clarity in your purpose and what you want to do in this life. Most people don't even try. They don't even start. And so that's the difference between you. I'm talking to you. I want to talk to you, one person that's out there. That's the difference between you and the millions and billions of people on the planet that do not start, that want to start. There are people who want more in their life. They want to see the finer things in life. And not everything's about money, and not everything's about the showy gold and the diamonds and everything like that. But it is about enjoying your life. I feel happy. I enjoy making videos. This really makes me happy. But if you don't really want to do videos like that, at least try, because you don't know. So again, just start, and start fast, and fail fast. The thing is, I used to date somebody and they wanted to make content, but they only thought about helping themselves. You gotta think about helping other people. How can you help others with your content? Because other people are gonna be viewing your content, right? Even if you make a picture, an artist, they could make the picture for themselves, but they really make it for others to appreciate their art, right? So the same thing, you make this content in order for somebody else to watch it. So you have to make it as if you were making it for somebody else. I'm making this for people who are stuck in their job, who are tired of working day to day, who have limiting beliefs and think that life is only happening in one way. But the thing about life is that there's many different perspectives. Right now, you're looking at me from one perspective. Just a second ago, you were looking at me from another perspective because I was standing up. But you can be looking at me from the left, the right, or behind me. The point is, there are many different ways to look at life. There are many different ways to observe the creation. And so you want to be able to observe it from all angles and be like, okay, maybe just like pool, if I can't hit it from this way, maybe if I go around the pool table and I try to hit it from this way, maybe I'll sink it in. And again, you are assuming that you're going to sink it in. Don't have the doubt. Don't have the doubt that you're not going to win. Forget it. Forget doubt. Acknowledge it, but assume the best. That's all I have to say in this video. Keep posting, have certainty, have confidence, but really the most important thing is just start. I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.